guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my March favorites and my March flops. If you'd like to see what my March favorites are, then please keep on watching. My first favorite for skincare is the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream, and it's just this little green jar. I've been trying to up my skincare, and so I bought eye cream, and I started off pretty, I did e.l.f. because I'm not trying to spend bajillions of dollars on an eye cream because they are hella expensive, so I just wanted to try this one out, and I really like it. Two favorite serums. So the first one is actually from Trader Joe's, and it's this hyaluronic moisture boost serum, and it looks like this. Alternate between this serum and this serum, which is from e.l.f., and it's the Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protein Vitamin C Pollution Prevention Serum. That's a mouthful. Oh my god. It just looks like during the winter time, my skin is so dry, so I pack on serums and moisturizers and stuff, and these two, I love them. Okay, so my favorite moisturizer for the month of March has been the Glam Glow Water Burst. I have not used anything else since I bought this, and literally I'm almost gone. It's almost gone. My favorite face primer for the month of March has been the Too Faced Hangover, and I can't put it down. This is my all-time favorite primer. It's my go-to primer right now. I love it. So my favorite concealer for the month of March has been the Tarte Shape Tape. You guys might have been able to guess that without me saying it, because it's literally all I use in my video. I don't know how I went without this concealer for so long, but for right now, this is my favorite. And my boyfriend always makes fun of me because I hold this upside down when I'm showing you guys, so there you go. My favorite foundation for the month of May has been the Infallible Pro Glow foundation. So the whole reason I like this is because it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on your face. I hate foundations that feel super heavy on your face, and it gives you a dewy finish. Once again, I like that because I have dry skin. Now my favorite highlighter, my favorite highlighter for the month of March has been the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Starlight. I love this. It looks so good if you put it under, if you layer it, put this and then put a powder highlight. It looks good if you mix it with your foundation. It looks good if you just want a dewy glow all over your face. This looks good. You guys should definitely try it. They have more shades. And then I love this palette from Shop Hush. It's literally the dupe for the Nicole Guerrero, Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It is so bomb. This was $10, and it's just so pigmented. My favorite bronzer, contour, or whatever is the Park Avenue Princess palette. I love this. One of my friends was like, you should get this. This is life. And she was very it's life. My favorite shade is Princess Cut, by the way. Moving on to eyes, I have not really used eyeshadow or eyeliner or anything this month of March. I've been going very natural. My favorite lashes for the month of March, when I do wear lashes, are the Demi Wispies from Ardell. Love these. I love these so much. I'm obsessed with buying lashes. I really need to stop because I don't wear all of them, but these are my favorite. My favorite lip liner, which I lost a week ago, so I can't show you, but I'll insert a clip right here. My favorite lip liner is the Wet n Wild Gel Liner in the shade Bear to Comment. Okay, so my favorite lipstick. It's really hard because I have my all-time favorite lipstick, which I included in this video. And then I have a lipstick that I have been, I bought and I've been wearing a lot in the month of March. If I'm not wearing my all-time favorite lipstick, I'm wearing this one. So I'm just going to show them both to you since I can't really pick one. So my favorite lipstick is the Tarteist Lip Paint in Exposed. This is my third other lipstick that I've been obsessed with this March is the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in 1993. Color right here. I have been loving this lipstick. It looks so good. My last lip product that I've been obsessed with for the month of March is the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. I love layering this over top of my lip liner. I would just overline my lips and then put this on top, and my lips look so juicy. I love this. lip gloss so much. Alright guys, so that was it for my favorites. Now to get into the flops, did not work for me. No matter how many times I tried to make them work, I just couldn't. So the first one is going to be the LA Girl Pro Powder HD setting powder. This is the definition of white cast. Like, I'm not even kidding. I played myself. Okay, my next flop, which I'm kind of really sad about, but it's the Ardell 600 Black. When you put them on, it's like a straight lash. Like, it's not, it doesn't curl up. It's literally like a straight lash. And I don't like that. I also decided to give their Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer a try, and I did not like it. So it's probably because I got the wrong shade. I've heard fairly good things about these. I didn't get the concealer. I got their like color correcting concealer, and I got the yellow one because it's like brightening. So I wanted to brighten my under eyes, but I feel like this did nothing, and it made me look kind of weird. Like, I don't like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my March faves and flops. I hope that my March favorites inspired you to go try some stuff out. If you're gonna try anything out of the things that I told you to try, please try this. Like, it is life-changing, I promise you. For $7, you should want to change your life for $7. And it's this tube. You guys should try it. Just a heads up, you guys should be aware that I'm going to be posting a prom series. So if you're in high school, or if you just want to recreate it, you should stay tuned. That will be up on my channel sometime in April. I'm also going to be posting a 2-part spring series where I'm going to be posting a daytime, very like casual spring look, and then a very colorful one. So definitely keep your eye out for those. I'm excited to post them and film them and whatnot. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed my March favorites, and hopefully next month in April I don't have any flops, but I might, I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!